Okay, hello everyone. For you guys who are new to Google Docs, first you need to register a Google account. Once you register a Google account, you actually have access to Google Apps, which you can see here on the right. Okay, let's open Docs. Okay, once you open Google Docs, you actually come to a default page like this. If you want to create a new document, all you have to do is just click here, but we'll be actually doing spreadsheets today. So you have to go to this left hand top corner, main menu, click on it, click on Sheets. Okay, and now let's click on this to start a new spreadsheet. Okay, so you have rows which are numbered and your columns which are given by the alphabets, and each one of this box is a cell. So A1 actually refers to column A, row 1. Okay, what we're going to do now is try to create a table that that we can plot a displacement versus time graph. Okay, so let's put our information here first. So T, which would be our x-axis, and then displacement, which will be our y-axis. Okay, let's consider a function. Let's say x displacement changes with time in the form of the relation of 10 times t squared plus 5t. Okay, so let's look at the time duration of 0 to, let's say, 10 seconds. Okay, so let me start off with 0 seconds first. And what we want to do in this cell now, right, is to have this formula placed in here and using the time information in this cell A4 for the information. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is equals 10 times, so the asterisk is times. Okay, and then you click on this cell A4 and the little hat is power, so 10 times A4 squared plus 5, again asterisk, times, if I click that cell again, A4. And of course we have 0 because in both sides of the equation t equals 0, t equals 0, so you actually have x equals 0. Okay, let's say we are doing for time intervals of 1 second. What I can then do is I can increment the next information here by doing this cell plus 1. Okay, and the beauty about this spreadsheet is you can actually copy the formula from that cell and paste it along with the next the following cells, and voila, you can see that it has tabulated the seconds for you. So you do the same with actually with this cell. So when you copy this and you paste it over, okay, you can notice in the top left hand side corner you can see fx, so it's 10 times a5, which refers to this cell, to the power of 2 plus 5 times a5. Okay, so you know the trick already. So same thing you do is copy and paste downwards, and it calculates all your information for you. Now that you want to draw the curve, you actually need to insert a chart. So what you do is you highlight the table, you go to this icon here on the top right, insert chart, click on it. Okay, normally what we do is a line chart or scatter, so this one automatically creates a line chart, but you can actually do scatter plots, different type of plots from the options here. Okay, let me close this.